Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Motorola Moto G34 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find the security and privacy. Let's tap. Then let's scroll down and find more security settings, and then encryption and credentials. Now we have to tap on clear credentials and confirm it with OK. Of course, confirm it with the PIN also. And as you can see, this option is inactive, so it means that we just successfully removed all certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.